Okay, next example is Jake wants to send his picture to Jesse. He wants the picture frame to be a golden rectangle. So, kaarte-arte ni Jake, karag niya tayo, picture frame and send kan Jesse, it's to be a golden rectangle so that he will look good in it. Kaya pala. Okay, so if Jake wants the width of the frame to be 1 foot long, 1 foot long, what should be the length of the frame? And we will use 1.61034 as the value of the golden ratio. Okay, so sabi ko, di ba, i-drawing niyo para ka mo magpaka-gets pag solve. Kay kare ko talaga, i-drawing it niyo. Jake wants to send his picture to Jesse. So, yun, magdodrawing kita wala natin tatakuan. Rectangle. Yan, guys. Tapos yung naman didi nga, he wants to picture for the golden ring. So, Jake wants the width of the frame to be 1 feet long. So, guys, when it comes to rectangle, I think you all know naman, this is the length of the rectangle, right? Kasi niya length, it halaba. And this is the width of the rectangle. Iton halapad. Okay? So, hey Jake, karag niya, and width iya frame, and halapad, karag niya, 1 feet long. Therefore, ini nga iya halapad and frame is equivalent to 1 feet. Okay? Then, the question, what should be the length of the frame? So, the question is, pira, ano itong length and frame? Siya tatuto dyan. Okay? Siyempre, nga ma-constitute Han golden ratio. Now, guys, we have a formula, di ba? Phi, di ba? May nakita rectangle kanina. Let's say we have here a rectangle. Ulitin ko lang. So, when we cut a rectangle into two, ano sa magiging square, right? This is A and this is A. We have here B. Okay? Of course, this is A kasi ikat nga mo iton golden rectangle, iton makakat usang square and then usang rectangle. Of course, square sides are equal. So, kung A in hiya, A damangan hi. Ngan, may nakita formula nga phi is equivalent to A plus B over A, right? Kung makikita naman niyo guys, iton yadi nga sa nga picture, nga diagram, A plus B is equals to the length, right? Yadi? A plus B is equals to the length. So, pwede kita makapaghiming formula nga A plus B is equals to the length over A, which is iton width, iton rectangle, which is also equivalent to A. Okay? So, we have here another formula. Alright. Now, pwede na kita mag-solve para matry natin ang length. Kaya siya may kintutury din what should be the length of the frame. Okay? That is what is asked in this problem. What should be the length of the frame? Okay. Ang aton value, ang aton golden ratio, 1.61834. Siya man karayag ko dida ibutang. Okay. Phi is equals to 1.61834, which is equivalent to length. Asya kintutury. Diba? What should be the length of the frame? And width, it is already given, which is equivalent to 1 feet long. Equals to 1. Now guys, let's do the cross multiply again. Okay. Guys, bisan ithain din ito yung unahon, it's okay. Para slag help it, okay? Kaya ako, unahan ko na lang, ito yan hinga L, ikakadi ko na lang kaloyo, kaya siya ma-actually kintutuloy. Length times 1 over 1 kasi dida, guys. Mukha na lang ni, watangin ni, go. Pwede ni what imaginary, basta may dida 1 over 1. L times 1 is equals to L is equals to 1.61834 times 1 is equivalent to 1.618034 feet. As siya ang value, hand length. So, this is already the answer. This is already the answer. Okay. So, that's it.